Good day, ambassadors. We are House of Gamaliel from 11 Elisha, and we are here to introduce the topic, trigo-identities.
Trigonometric identities are the equalities that involve trigonometric functions and hold true for all the values of variables given in the equation. There are three trigonometric identities. First is reciprocal identities, second is quotient identities, and third is Pythagorean identities.
Reciprocal identities are fundamental trigonometric identities that express the reciprocal relationship between the six reciprocal trigonometric functions. The reciprocal identities state that the secant, cosecant, and cotangent are the reciprocal of sine, cosine, and cotangent. Specifically, secant theta is equals to 1 over cosine theta. Cosecant theta is equals to 1 over sine theta. And cotangent theta is equals to tangent. This is equals to 1 over tangent theta. These identities allow for the communication or conversation between the function and help simply expression or solve trigonometric equations.
Quotient identities. Quotient identities are trigonometric identities that are written as fraction of the sine and cosine function.
Quotient identities, we have tangent theta equal sine theta over cosine theta, and cotangent theta equal cosine theta over sine theta.
Pythagorean identities, derived from the Pythagoras theorem, are trigonometric ratios that result from the square of the hypotenuse equaling the sum of the other two sides. The Pythagorean trigonometric identity, a fundamental relation between sine and cosine function, expresses the Pythagorean theorem in terms of trigonometric function alongside sum of angles formula.
There's an example of trigonometric identities. Trigonometric identities are equations involving trigonometric functions that are true for all values of the variable for which the functions are defined. Here are some important ones. Pythagorean identities. These relate the squares of sine, cosine, and tangent. Reciprocal identities. These define the relationship between trigonometric functions and their reciprocals. Quotient identities. These show the relationship between tangent, cotangent, sine, and cosine. Cofunction identities. These are based on complementary angles in 90 degrees. So, there's an example naman po in reciprocal identities. Reciprocal identities in trigonometry express the relationship between a trigonometric function and its reciprocal. For an example, the sine of an angle is the reciprocal of the cosecant of the angle and vice versa. This concept applies similarly to other firsts like cosine, secant, and tangent.
Let's start with the quotient identity. If sine theta equal 5 over 13 and cosine theta equal 12 over 13, find the value of tangent theta using the quotient identities. The formula is tangent theta equals sine theta divided by cosine theta. So we're gonna substitute the given values. So tangent theta equals 5 over 13 divided by 12 over 14. 13. So i-replace na natin yung sine theta with 5 over 13 and cosine theta with 12 over 13. So i-simplify lang natin yung division of fractions to divide fractions. I-multiply lang natin yung numerator 5 over 13 by the reciprocal of the denominator 12 over 13. So tangent theta is equal 5 over 13 times 13 over 12. I-cancel out natin yung 13 kasi we are multiplying by the reciprocal. So the value of tangent theta is 5 over 12. Next, let's look at the Pythagorean identity. So, i-verify lang natin yung Pythagorean identity using sine data equal 5 over 13 and cosine data equal 12 over 13. So, yung fundamental identity ng Pythagorean identity is sine squared theta plus cosine squared theta equal 1. So, sinubstitute lang natin yung sine data equal 5 over 13 and cosine data equal 12 over 13. So, square natin each term. So, magiging sine squared theta equal 5 over 13 squared. Magiging 5 over 13 times 5 over 13. So, ita-times lang natin 5 times 5, 25, and 13 times 13 is 169. Same lang dito. So, cosine squared theta equal 12 over 13 squared. So, yun. Same lang din. So, 25 over 169 plus 144 over 169 equal 169 over 169. So, 169 over 169 equal 1. Since the denominator is the same, we add the numerators directly. So, 169 over 169 equal 1. So, verify natin yung identity, which is sine squared theta plus cosine squared theta equal 1.
I hope you learned a lot from this video. Thank you for listening to our presentation.